Hello everyone, welcome back to Born Smart Class. Today we are here again to continue with the previous lesson. That was pronunciation with suffix words. So I hope that last class we have done the suffix words with A. Today we are going to do the suffix word with E. Okay, so I hope you all enjoy the class and learn many new words. So let's begin. Okay, so our first word is EAR, ear. Okay, so our first suffix word is EAR, ear. Now, with this word, what can we make? What new words can we make? So, first word is here, here. Yes, here. HEAR, here, her, here. Okay. So what is the meaning of here? Here का मतलब है सुनना. Okay. Next word is dear. DEAR, dear. Don't get confused. We have two types of deer. One is DEER deer and one is DEAR deer. So this is DEAR deer. Okay. So the D means the. Dear means mera pyara. We say na my dear friend or my dear mother. So dear का मतलब होता है मेरे प्यारे. Okay. Next word is fear. Fear मतलब क्या होता है? फियर मतलब होता है डरना, डर लग रहा. ओके, फियर, FEAR, फियर. ओके, फ, FEAR, fear. Okay, so moving on to the next suffix word, that is EAT, eat. Now, eat is a word and a meaningful word in its own. Eat means khana. Now, here we can use eat in suffix word also. Like we can make as many words from EAT, eat also. So what are those? Now, the first one is meat, 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 meat. Okay, so what is the meaning of meat? The meaning of meat is like we eat mutton or cow beef or chicken. Those are known as meat. A animal and animal's body flesh. Okay, so it's meat, MEAT, meat. Next is beat, 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 beat. What is the meaning of beat? Marna. Here are two meanings of beat. One is giving slaps or beating someone, and one more beat is the bass of the sound speaker. We say na, please increase the beat. So that is beat. I hope you all have heard this song Baby Ko Bass Pasand Hai, right? So bass is actually the meaning of beat, BEAT, beat. Okay, now next word is great. Next word is great. So, what is the meaning of great? G, great. Meaning of great is mahan. Okay, we say na wo bahut mahan आदमी थे. So, he was a very great person. So, here it is great. GREAT, great. Okay. Now, moving on to the next word is neat. NEAT, neat. NEAT, neat. NEAT, neat. What is the meaning of neat? Neat means saaf sutra, clean. Okay. What is the meaning of neat? Clean, saaf sutra. How to pronounce it? Neat. NEAT, neat. I request you all to repeat it after me. Okay. So, the next suffix word is eep, EEP. So, now we can see that here is no particular meaning of this suffix word. So, now we will see that what are the words we can make from eep. Now, the first one is deep, DEEP, deep. What is the meaning of deep? Deep means gehra, deep, DEEP, deep. Deep मतलब गहरा. Okay. Now next is keep. KEEP, keep. KEEP, keep. K we pronounce as K. Okay. So keep मतलब रखना, अपने पास रखना या कहीं पर रखना. Keep means रखना. Okay. Now next word is peep. PEEP, peep. PEEP, peep. Okay. PEEP, peep. What is the meaning of peep? Now, I think that many of you have this type of habit that when someone is using mobile phone, so we have the tendency of looking like this. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? So this is known as peep. मतलब झांकना, देखना. Okay, this is known as peep. PEEP. Peep means don't peep into my phone. That means मेरे फोन पे झांको मत. Okay. Okay. So next word of suffix is end. 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 Next word is end. 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 End is a meaningful word in its own only. So what is the meaning of end? Khatam. Okay. So what are the words can we make from end? It is first is send. 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 Okay. What is the meaning of send? Send means bhejna. Sir. SEND. Send. Sir. Send मतलब भेजना. Okay. Next is lend. 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 What is the meaning of lend? Lend means उधारी. ओके. जब हम बोलते हैं ना कि मुझे उधारी चाहिए आपसे, या कैन यू प्लीज लेंड मी 20 रुपीज, और कैन यू प्लीज लेंड मी योर पेंसिल और अ पेन. हाँ, लेंड मतलब कि आप मुझे अपना सामान उधार पर दे सकते हैं, मैं बाद में आपको वापस कर दूंगा. दैट थिंग. लेंड मीन्स उधारी. Lend. 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 Okay. So next word is friend. Yes. Now I think you all know what is the meaning of friend. 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 For. FRIEND. Friend. I think you all know what are friends. Dost. Okay. So I think you all have many and many friends. Correct. Okay. So next and the last suffix word is ENT. So it does not have any meaning in its own. So what are the words that we can make from this suffix word? Now, it is went. 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 Okay. So what is the meaning of went? मतलब कहीं जाना. I went to that place. मतलब मैं उस जगह गई थी. तो वेंट मतलब क्या होता है? कोई जगह जाना या कोई जगह जो हम गए थे. दैट इज नोन एज वेंट. आई वेंट देयर. मैं वहां गई थी. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज सेंट. SENT. सेंट. SENT. सेंट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेंट? सर. SENT. सेंट. I hope that you all are repeating after me. Okay. So, what is the meaning of sent? Sent का मतलब होता है भेजना. We say ना, I have sent a letter to you. I have sent an SMS to you. Okay. So, sent मतलब क्या होता है? भेजना. Clear? Last word is bent. 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 What is the meaning of bent now? Okay. So the meaning of bent is झुकना. What is the meaning of bent? झुकना. Okay. हम बोलते हैं ना, please can you bend and take that pen up? That means bent मतलब क्या आप झुककर वो पेन उठा सकते हैं. Okay. Bent मतलब झुकना. I hope these words are very clear to you. You all will practice more words from these suffix words. You have to make more words and practice at your home. Okay, so this was the end of the lesson. I hope you all have enjoyed it. I will be meeting you in the next lesson. So till then, thank you. Have a nice day.